Hmm. Oh yeah. Let's go do that. Let's go. Let's go hack that camera now. Let's go hack that camera. That goddamn fucking camera. we. Bye, car. Wait, is this? Is this? No, that's not it. Where? Where is it? Uh, where's the thing to hack it? where? Where? Is it up here? Maybe it's up here. No, no, it's not gonna be up here. Yeah, no. No, not up here. Oh. Oh, it's here. Alrighty then. I'll just pull that on my butt. And here we go. Oh yeah. 5. Alright. 0. 9. And 7. Okay. Invalid placement. Okay. Let's try that as 0. And then 5 is not a number here. And I got the 7 right. That's pretty cool. Let's try that. 0 is also incorrect, so 0 is here. And let's try 6 here. And let's try 2 here. Okay, that means 6 is here. And 2 is not a number. And 4. No, 4 is not a number. So 3. No, 3 is not a number. 9? 9. Okay. Okay. Ow, my knee. Ow. Oh, shit. Alright. Let's go in my apartment and do the security stuff and go to my apartment. Go to my apartment. and go to my apartment. And go into the apartment. Yes. And turn. And turn. And yeah. And turn. And yeah. And... I scared you, didn't I? You thought I was gonna kill you. Well, I am. Fuck you. Yep. Sorry about this, but... Oh, I'm hurting you, huh? Yeah, well, sorry. Get out of my way. 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 Alright. Here we go. Yeah, bash through my door. That's smart. Central? No. North Point. Connecting, connecting. What in the fuck? Oh. That was a motorcycle. Right. 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 What? Is it you? Or is it you? You look suspicious. You look suspicious with your yawning and stuff. You're getting a soda? Oh, you got a soda. Well, arrest you. You got a soda, so I'm going to arrest you. What? Oh, sorry. She got a soda, so I wanted to. Oh, god damn it. Ah, that means I have to do it again. That sucks. Yeah, North Point. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, oh, I went to the wrong thing. My bad. My bad. Sorry, lady. Well, he's going to jail. Alrighty. What? Get fuck. God damn it. Go back. Who's the right guy? Is it him? Is it the guy just running into the wall? What? Oh, you're the right guy. Okay. Why is he still running? Why is he still... Run away! Run away! Now's your chance to actually run away! Stop running into the wall! God damn it. Oh, this game. Oh, this game. Whew. Good laughs, good laughs. Good laughs. Uh,
Yeah, but Danny lives with his mom. I have to get her out of the house. Give her some money and send her to a mahjong game. Smart. I should bribe the others to let her in. She might stay out all night.
uh, well. I did not hear any of that. I will be going. Yeah, I'm gonna go get another combo. I'm gonna get another combo breaker. Get in my cart, my sexy car, my sexy beat up, really beat up car. Ugh. We. Woo! Ah! Oh, my foot went away. Well, that was bad. That was bad.
I found one of your statues.
Oh, a dog.
Oh, it was a dog.
Excellent.
Da doggy.
Your sister passed.
She was an addict. She couldn't kick it. It's not a very interesting story.
I suppose. Though in light of that, your chosen career is rather interesting. Me, anyway, knowing who you are.
You asked me once not to lie to you. And I think in return, you shouldn't ask me about my career.
Fair enough. What would you like?
I would like to get the stun strike follow up. Yes. So that way, the next time I find a thing, I can get something else. Oh!
I'm ashamed to call myself your teacher.
Oh! That's fucking sweet. Oh! Yeah. Ow. Oh! 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 Bitch. Alrighty. Car. Stun strike follow up. That is pretty badass. I like that. I like that move. No. Quick fix? Not really. Well, alright, fine, let's go do that. Back up. Back up. Back up. Oh, shit. Shit. Alright. Driving on the right side of the road, 'cause I still don't know that it's China. Ow. Oh wait, I can do a drug bust. I can do a drug bust. I'm gonna do a drug bust. Entering Yaoling Court's hangout. Eliminate all the thugs. All the thugs. Ow! 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 Fucking, you have crowbars. That's not cool. Alright, crowbar time. Crowbar time. Fuck you. Oh hey, it's that guy that couldn't run away before. Oh, I broke the crowbar over their face and now it's... Ow. Now I can't use it anymore. Ow. Ow. Stop it. That's right. Fuck you. Bam. Bam. Alright. Dude, stop being a bitch. Is there anywhere I can put you? No? Oh. Okay, I'll just break his body. That's fine. What? What? Why do you... What? Stop. Stop it. Stop dropping the crowbar and then picking it back up. Stop that. Alright, fine. I'll take the crowbar. Thank you. Bitch. Fuck. Get... Ah. Ah. Huh, huh. Well, I win. God damn it. I still have not gained a face level. I mean, for real. I should have done that. Oh, wait. Right. Hack the camera. Hack the camera. Where's the camera? There's the camera. Here's the control box. Just grab this out of my butt again. 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. 3, 4. Nope, 3, 5, 6. 6 and 5 are invalid numbers. 3, 7, 8, 9. Too easy. Right. Use the surveillance system. Vroom, 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 vroom. Except that I'd really like to go to quick fix. I can always use the surveillance later on. Woo! Ah! Yeah, I can help you. Help? I need to help you. Can I not? Oh, wait. What? I need to help you. Wait, I need to help you. Why can't I? Did I break your car more? Or something? Did I like break? Did I break your car and I can't help you anymore? No. You still have the mission. Oh! Oh, you disappeared. Uh, what happened? What happened? Well, I don't know what happened. But something happened. I'm just gonna go do the mission. No, I don't really want to do the mission. Well, alright, I'll do the mission. That'll be the last mission. I need to go to school tomorrow because I have school. I have school. But yeah, this is the last mission. Last mission for today's stream. Must do mission good. Ah. We. Woo. Ow. Don't worry, I'll get to the mission eventually. Eventually. We. Ooh, ooh, oh, fuck you. What? Good thing I was wearing a helmet. Oh man, that good thing I was wearing a helmet. Yeah, that's about it.
I'm glad you're here. What do you know about the underground racing circuit?
Well, they drive fast. Occasionally they crash into something.
Yeah, and occasionally they end up killing each other.
Well, that's manslaughter at best.
But these last couple of files don't feel like manslaughter to me. It's got more of a deliberate feel to it.
Want me to check it out?
Yeah. Get into the circuit and see what you can find out.
All right. See you.
He is a friend of a friend. Of course he's a friend of a friend.
I'm Wei. Wei Shen. You up for a race?
Yeah, sure. Long as you don't mind losing.
Well, alrighty. Ooh, I like this car. I like this car a lot. Meet Ace. Okay. God damn it, you fucking shitty ass truck. Why do you have to go the way I'm going? Get out of the way. Get out of the way. What's up, bitches? Oh look, it's the Fast and the Furious. The Chinatown movie. I didn't mean to do that. I didn't mean to do that. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry about that. I swear I didn't mean to do that. Well, alrighty. I'm in second place now. Oh, shit. I'm gonna beat him. I'm gonna beat him. I just gotta catch up. Just gotta catch up. Catch up. Ketchup, mustard. Ketchup, mustard. Go. God damn it. God damn it. Fuck you. Alright. Yay, first. I'm in first. Now I can win. Really? Only 50% complete of this. That sucks. Man, I really wish I had some competition. All these other guys are bitches, man. They can't even keep up with my car. Oh. I thought it was gonna make me go through that alleyway. But it didn't. Oh. Okay. Do I win yet? 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100.
Good win. Lucky for you, those Amars kept getting in the way. One in a million shot.
Want a rematch?
Yeah, sure. I'll take you.
You're ready for the big time? Let me know. Everybody knows I'm the best driver in the city. Everyone.
Oh yeah? I'll take you down too, hotshot. Just as soon as my car is fixed.
Ah. That was it. That was the mission. You're shitting me, right? Oh, action dismount, waking in or slow motion aiming while leaping from a vehicle at high speed while armed. Fuck yeah. Gonna get that next. Races for B class.